Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. I know it's been a minute, y'all. I've had some serious stuff going on in my life. However, we're not here to complain or talk about that. We're here to start knocking out some of these reviews for the month. And what better way to start than with my favorite box? What's that? Do you know? Well, right now we are going to open up our June CURLBOX, okay? For those of you who are not familiar with CURLBOX, I will leave all the information down below, but let me just tell you, this box is $25 per month plus $5 for shipping and handling. We get full-size products. Most times, probably 99% of the time, we get a full system so that we can take care of our curls, our tresses from beginning to end. Okay, so all the other details I'll leave down below, but let's just jump into the box and see what we received this month. How about that? Okay, so when we open it up, the first thing that we get is our description card, and this is what our description card looks like. Let me tell you something. I endeavor to have my hair, my natural hair, in a ponytail like this. That's my goal. Okay, and this says CURLBOX June 2023. As a master beautician and a product formulator for over a decade, Joanne Joseph is sharing the exact steps she takes in her salon to grow and nurture her clients' natural hair. You can now have the same treatment at home with J Organic Solutions, CHÉBÉ-CADO. This is the CHÉBÉ-CADO collection. Okay, so let's just start at the top. So I would say the pre-poo comes before the shampooing of it. This is the pre-poo clay mask. All right, and their packaging is beautiful, by the way. All right, and it's a start your wash day with a powerful pre-poo treatment that detoxifies and exfoliates your scalp, preventing breakage and promoting healthy hair growth. Okay, this is a 8-ounce jar, and it says with Rachel clay and Carkin oil. All right, I'm here to find out more about that. And it says Rachel clay helps restore balance to scalp and has strong remineralizing and volumizing properties. The CHÉBÉ nourishes, hydrates, and improves moisture retention in our hair. Okay. Now, this one has a 12-month shelf life. There is no alcohol, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oils, and no animal products. Okay, I am here for this. Okay, I'm still using one more on my natural hair. And then I'm very interested in my hair growth using the products in this line. Okay, so that's item number 1. Then item number 2 is the moisturizing shampoo, and it looks like this, and it says keep your scalp healthy and nourished with this sulfate and paraben free shampoo that gently cleanses your hair without stripping away its natural minerals. This too is an 8-ounce size. No sulfates, no parabens, no artificial colors, no silicone, and no animal testing. It's made with rice milk and hibiscus. It says restore dry, damaged hair while maintaining healthier coils and curls. Gently cleanses your hair without stripping away those natural minerals. Okay, so this one says wet your hair and apply a small amount of this shampoo, lather, rinse, and repeat. All right. And this one has a 12-month shelf life as well. Okay, this is item number 2. Then item number 3, of course, is the Moisture Boost Conditioner. And this one says, this specially formulated conditioner maximizes moisture and length retention for healthy, luscious locks. Okay, 8-ounce size again. And this one is with vitamin E and provitamin B5. Restore dry, damaged hair while maintaining healthier coils and curls. No sulfates, no parabens, no artificial colors, no silicones, and no animal testing. And this one has a 12-month shelf life as well. You know, I'm very, very anxious to smell this. Oh my, even through the top, I can smell that. Oh, that smells really nice. Really nice. Okay, this is item number 3. Then item number 4. Oh, check this out. This is the hair and body butter, okay? And it says made with all natural and organic ingredients. This hair and body butter is the perfect way to keep your hair and skin looking and feeling great. All right, this one is a 4-ounce size and it's made with shea butter and vitamin E. This one has a 12-month shelf life as well. Oh, it has avocado in it and mango seed. Oh my. Well, let's just see. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. Nice and thick. All right, since it's hair and body butter, let's just do what we do. Okay. All right, so yes, I slathered it on, okay? I didn't even finish all the products yet. I just stopped at this one and slathered it for all it was worth. This is amazing. Look at my skin. Oh, love, love, love. I love it. Okay, so there's still another product. So let's check this one out. And this is the Miracle Blends Growth Oil, okay? And this is what the product looks like. And it says, experience the power of Haitian castor and CHÉBÉ oil. This lightweight growth oil stimulates your scalp and promotes healthy hair growth for all hair types, okay? And it says this one is a 2-ounce size and it has a 12-month shelf life as well. Castor oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, CHÉBÉ oil, tea tree oil, green tea extract, rosemary oil. Wow. Okay, and the list goes on. Cherry oil? Okay. So I'm very, very interested to start with this one. And this says, apply 5 to 10 drops throughout the scalp and massage gently while spreading the product from roots to ends, okay? Now, the only thing is it doesn't tell us how often to use this. JOS Miracle Blends Oil is made with 100% natural ingredients from all over the world. It says this oil has all the vital nutrients recommended to stimulate your hair follicles, encouraging the follicles to work better and faster, meaning longer, thicker, and stronger natural hair. I am so here for that. Okay, so this is very exciting. This is the first time I've heard of this particular one. Okay, now of course, organic solutions I've heard of many times over, but this is the first time I've heard of this one. So I'm very interested to try it and see how it works. Let me tell you something. Look at this. Do you see the lady with the leaf for hair? That is gorgeous right there. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I love that. Love it. All right, so can't say for certain when I'm going to try this, although it's next on my list after, you know, I finish with the one for my curls. You know, I've been feeling the curly thing for a while now, but I'm very excited to move on to the next set of products and see. I apologize for the noise in the background. I apologize. I have a lot going on. School is out, so okay. So nonetheless, let me know what you think. All right. Now, what I will do, though, is I will try to locate each of these products online so that I can let you know what the manufacturer's suggested retail price for each of them would be if we were to purchase them through retail. Okay, now remember, I told you you are spending $30 for this to come straight from the CURLBOX warehouse to your front door, so you don't have to worry about those extra taxes unless it's mandatory where you live, you know, paying for gas and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so I will let you know and we can sit there and compare the two. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think about these products? Now, I do want to let you know one other thing about CURLBOX. If you do not, well, if you are not ready to commit to, you know, a monthly subscription, because I know that could leave you a little overwhelmed with quite a few products. If you're not using them often enough, you can go in and buy them individually. They have a subscription box and they have a monthly suggestion of products. Okay, just as good, wonderful value. However, it's just not as good as if you purchased it as part of the subscription. Okay, so I just want to let you know I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I apologize for my absence in between. If it was a way to avoid it, I would have loved that, but it was not. But I'm here now, okay? And we will get caught up with everything that I have to share with you. Okay, so once again, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened my favorite box. Okay, now these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside. All right, now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share, so that you can let others know about the CURLBOX system and its subscription service. Okay, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.